there are many different paints available. I've put some just in front of us here. Some of these are concentrates that you dilute down with water, and some are ready to use paints. So on this side are the ones that are concentrates. So we have Super C, Colour Excess and Scape. They're all grass paints. Again, they all have different dilution rates on. So the advantage of the concentrates are, with the dilution rates, the more you dilute it, the cheaper the cost. These concentrates would again go through fan nozzles, so the volume of liquid going down is more than a cone nozzle. Like I say, this is Super C. Again, it's the dilution rate is 4:1 up to 12:1. It's one of our best selling paints, been around a long time. This is Colour Excess. Again, not a lot of people would need to mark in green, but again, there are occasions where people would have to green out lines on a dual use pitch. And this is Scape, which is a relatively new paint. The dilution rate on that is 4 parts water to 1 part paint, up to 8 parts water to 1 part paint. This side are ready to use paints. So this is one of the colour ones we do, Ready Spray. That's Ready Spray Dark Blue. That would go through a fan nozzle. Again, you could dilute it a bit if you wanted to. Again, which bring the cost down, but ideally you would just be a ready to use paint. And the two this end, Fort and Drew, they're designed to go through a cone nozzle, which kind of the paint would come out more like a mist. So it coats just the top of the leaf of grass, and then the volume of paint used is less than ones with a fan nozzle. They're very fast drying, and again, they're very popular in the sort of stadium environment. And obviously with that, you don't dilute them at all, so the line would remain consistent. Obviously it is important to use the correct paint. There are people that would try and use, say, emulsion or a similar paint through a line marking machine. They will just kill your pump, firstly, and secondly, if you do manage to get anything through, it's not designed to stick to a leaf. Our paints all have different ingredients in there which will make them, they're designed to stick to a leaf. There's sticking agents, there's resins to make them rain fast, there's like titanium dioxide to make them whiter and brighter. These are designed to stick to grass. There's nothing harmful in them. Again, they're all water based, whereas emulsion, say basically it'll wash straight off the leaf. Some people still would use a transfer wheel to put emulsion through, but again, it will just disappear as soon as it rains. These are just grass paints that I've got in front of me now, but we also do synthetic paints for marking 3G pitches and sun dressed Astros, etc. And we also do what we call PMF, permanent marking fluid, which is for hard surfaces like car parks, playgrounds, that sort of thing. Again, available in all different colours. The difference between the synthetic paint and the hard surface paint is the synthetic one actually remains flexible. So if it was to mark on like a 3G, for instance, the paint won't dry solid and then sort of break off, and when it becomes hard it will, whereas the hard surface one will basically dry like a solid paint. So the synthetic one remains flexible to bend with the synthetic surface.